Good morning, everyone. It is time for another episode of SCOTDs. In case you don't know what that is Sign Carvers of the Day. That's where we take pictures that you guys send to us and we actually show them on these episodes. We love to show your guys' work off because you guys are amazing. There's so many talented people out there. So these are all freehand carved signs. So if you have projects that you have done and you want to send us pictures, email them to me, Eric at makeawoodsign.com, and we'll put it in the mix. We generally are running a month to 2 months behind. This episode is April 9th, 2025 through May 7th. 2025. Don't forget, and I'll probably mention it again at the end, we're down to the last few days of our raffle for VO2, Veterans Overcoming Obstacles, and we're giving away a $3,000 table. All it takes is a $10 entry donation that goes right to the guys up there in Colorado. And we're shipping it for free. So if you're domestic in the lower 48 states, you can win that table. There'll be links in the description below. You can go check out everything. And this is a very, very worthy cause. It's veterans that own a gym that are helping veterans up there at no charge. So we like to support them as much as we can. Anyway, so let's get into this. Here we go. First, we have Shawn Osborne. And this is Shawn's second sign. And this thing is so cool. This is made for his brother's motorcycle club. I'm assuming it's probably their logo, but for only your second sign, it just looks amazing. Shawn, I think you got a bright future ahead of you in sign carving. This looks really, really cool. Next, we have our buddy from Arkansas, Michael Bogs. And this is something that Michael has actually created a niche for. I've seen them before, but I haven't seen a lot of them lately. This is a 6-foot cedar log, 12-inch diameter, and he's selling tons of these things for people that put them out in their yards. Terrific job, Michael. And Michael has lots of cedar up there. I think he has a little cedar log mill right there on his property, but fantastic job, Michael. Great niche. And we have Shane Northridge. This is 26 by 15. He repurposed some pine. He routed it out, inlaid it with resin, mixed with acrylic paints, and he cut it out with a scroll saw. Shane is so talented, very creative. His stuff always has brilliant colors to it. Terrific job, Shane. You killed it again, buddy. Next, we have Dominic Spanelli, and this one was made for his daughter, and he started watching us a few years ago, and this one's really cool. I believe it looks like it's a barrel top. That's what it looks like to me. Looks like it's oak, and great job. These things are not that easy to carve. You held a really good line, Dominic. Hope you're having fun, man. I'm sure your daughter loves that. Next, we have Mike McKenzie. No, I think it's Mike McKenzie. I don't know, Mike. I know I just butchered it probably 6 times. I apologize. Anyway, Mike, you did a great job on this. This is for the barbershop he goes to. Looks like it is, I can't tell what kind of wood it is. It's got a really nice dark streak through the middle. It might be redwood. I don't know. The picture doesn't really tell me, but terrific job, Mike. Hope they like it down at the barbershop. Next, we have Luke Gearink, and Luke has been following us for a long time. Really makes very unique stuff. Looks terrific. Great job, Luke. Next, we have Mark Going, and this is his very first set of signs made from old barn wood, and the barn that he got the wood from was handed down from his wife's parents and grandparents. And it looks like he used our Fatty font set of letters. Terrific job, Mark. I'm sure that everybody loves it. It looks really good. White letters, white inset letters are not that easy to do. You really pulled it off, buddy. For your very first job, looks terrific. Next, we have Ben Quirk. And this is a gift that he did for a fellow FFA member, Ryland, who plays the banjo for Max. And that's Max there in the Santa hat. That's Ben's son. And the wood is Brazilian hardwood that sold as a cutting board for $9. Terrific job, Ben. I'm sure Ryland absolutely loves it. Next, we have David Fees, and he made this for a law enforcement motorcycle club, made out of 2x4s, used a carving liner, a profile bit, 90 and an 1/8 inch upcut spiral. The field and red stripes are water-based stain, and the logo is orange and red one-shot. Spectacular, dude. Very, very nice work, David. I'm sure they love it. Gilbert Devilla. I hope I'm saying that right, Gilbert. I apologize if I messed it up. This is his very first carving. This is a memorial bench that will go out on his wife's fishing dock, his and his wife's fishing dock. Gilbert builds these benches for local fishing docks, and they live on Lake Sinclair in Georgia. Terrific job. Really, really nice job, Gilbert. For your first carving, you really did well, buddy. Michael Yeckley. This is 1/2 inch fatty font. He used epoxy, the black primer, and Rubio monocoat. And the wood is red oak. Really nicely done. The cross just looks spectacular. And for 1/2 inch fatty font, very nice job. Really, really nice work, Michael. James Palmer, he's just starting out. These are some of his first signs, and doing really, really a great job there, James. Hope you're enjoying it, man. These look really good. Keep it up, buddy. Travis Blacka, 3 foot by 5 foot. This thing is spectacular. I'm not sure if that's Travis there in the picture. I'm assuming it is. The stars are scrolled and the eagle is carved. Absolutely spectacular. Travis, great job, buddy. Next we have Gary Sherk. Very first sign for his wife for Mother's Day. Well done, buddy. Looks like 4 different pieces of wood put together. I'm sure your wife absolutely loved it. Great artwork there, holding a really good line. That's really a neat piece. I love it, Gary. Bill Roars. This is his very first sign. He used reclaimed pine from a 50-year-old shelf, made for his wife's she shed. Love it. Great. I love the layout, the font that you used there, and the free-formed background shape. Really looks nice with the notched corners. Great job, Bill. For your first sign, dude, you killed it. Great job, buddy. Next we have CJ. CJ's been with us for a long time. This is 27 by 27, 2x6 redwood, and he did this for a local dog groomer. I'm sure they loved it. Great job, man. Looks terrific. Rounded corners, big radius rounded corners with scallops. You don't see that a lot. Great job, CJ. I like it. Lee Givens, very first sign, and this is from an old song, one of my dad's favorite religious songs, Old Rugged Cross. I love it. Great job, buddy. One of my favorites too, actually. Terrific work, buddy. John White, beautiful piece of cedar. Used our fatty font and a couple of our stencils and templates in there. Looks terrific, John. Beautiful, beautiful work. Whoever you made this for, I'm sure is thrilled with it. Last but not least, Shawn Melton. This is for his wife for Mother's Day. Very nicely done, man. I love the whole design. Nice scalloping on there. And the black and the red, that always looks good. Great job, buddy. All right, there you go, guys. Another terrific job on these sign carvers of the day. If you guys have any projects that you want to email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. Don't forget, just a few days left to throw your donation in there. Every $10, by the way, gets you a ticket in the bucket. So if you've got multiples of 10, for every $10 you get a ticket in the bucket. Again, that's a $3,000 table, free shipping anywhere in the lower 48. And let's see if we can raise a lot of money for these guys. These guys are struggling up there just to keep their doors open, and we want to help them as much as we can. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for all the support. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.